Nature is not just a place to visit. Nature is home. Set in the depths of nature, Epe Gardens 4 offers a perfect landing to sustainable life. An environment ringed out for its rich essence of cohabitation is nature in its purest form and its glory. Epe Gardens 4 retains its connection to nature despite being a thriving urban center, thereby offering sustainability, eco-friendliness, and greenery, folded in luxury, exclusivity, and value appreciation for timely home finders and investors. Designed to endure the expanding metropolis of Lagos by emphasizing nature and its features. Epe Gardens 4, where nature is home, not just a place to visit.